Imperial Manufacturing Group's remarkable story began with the motto, "Making things better." And we have 4 decades of reliability, consistency, and expertise to back it up. Founded in 1979 by entrepreneur Norman Casey, Imperial has grown from a modest sheet metal business of 4 employees to a North American leader in the manufacturing of air distribution and building products. Specializing in heating, air conditioning, ventilation, and building products for both residential and light commercial uses, Imperial is a vision realized. Over the years, we have consistently stayed ahead of the curve through a focus on quality, customer satisfaction, collaboration, and employee safety. Our superior service level, which includes on-time delivery, accurate shipment, and top-quality products, have allowed us to continuously enhance the customer experience. With over 1,000 employees across 10 facilities in North America, Imperial has repeatedly been named one of Canada's best-managed companies, and we have no intention of slowing down. After all, our customers continue to demand faster, better, and often innovative solutions. After over 40 years of business, we don't believe in resting on our laurels or simply reminiscing on the past, but always looking towards the future. Our goal remains ambitious, to be the most trusted and valued manufacturer of air distribution and building products in North America. With our focus on cutting-edge automated technology, we're paving the path for industry growth and creating new, exciting roles for our employees. And thanks to an incredible network of retail, wholesale, contractors, and e-commerce partners, Imperial Manufacturing Group's capabilities continue to evolve. Imperial Manufacturing Group, building on a rich history, embracing a bright future.